Hi everyone, I'm glad you're here. Today we're exploring something that's part of our daily lives, technology. Let's start simple. Technology is just using what we know to solve problems or make life easier. And it's more than just gadgets. It's everything from tools to ideas that help us live better. How technology affects our lives. Technology is woven into almost everything we do. It changes how we talk, giving us new ways to connect. It transforms how we learn, putting knowledge at our fingertips. It reshapes how we work, making it possible to be productive anywhere. And it influences how we live every day, from our homes to our healthcare. Let's take a closer look at each one, starting with how it affects the way we talk. Think about how we communicate. We've gone from writing letters that took days or weeks to sending instant messages, from landline phones to video calls with people across the globe. Communication is now fast, easy, and global. Now, if it can change talking this much, imagine what it's done for how we learn. Learning has also transformed. We still have teachers and textbooks, but now we also have online videos, interactive apps, and even AI that can guide us through any topic, anytime, anywhere. And just like learning, technology has completely reshaped the way we work. The way we work is changing too. Offices are no longer tied to a strict 9 to 5 schedule. We can work from almost anywhere, and with most smart tools and machines, tasks that once took hours can now be done in minutes. Of course, work is just one part of life. Technology is also changing how we live day to day. Technology is shaping our daily routines. Our homes are becoming smarter, helping us save time and energy. Healthcare is more accessible with doctors available online. No more waiting rooms for simple consultation, but this raises an important question. So let's talk. Here's something to think about. Is technology making us smarter or just a little lazier? Does it help us grow or are we depending on it too much? Take a moment. What's your view? The truth is, technology is just a tool. The real difference comes from how we choose to use it to learn, to create, to connect, and to improve the world around us. Technology shapes us every day, but its true impact depends on our choices. Share your thoughts, join the conversation, and let's keep exploring ideas that inspire positive change. Thank you for being part of this conversation today. I hope it inspired you to think differently about how technology affects our lives. Keep learning, keep questioning, and let's shape a better future together.